Parametric rolling. Parametric rolling occurs when the ship's pitching period is either equal to or half of that of the rolling period. Large roll angles may occur quickly in head or stern seas. The roll angle may increase from a few degrees to over 30 degrees in only a few cycles. It is caused due to the combination of various factors such as low initial stability, large flare around the waterline, waves as long as ship's length, sufficiently large wave amplitudes, period of encounter half the rolling period, and low hydrodynamic roll damping. Parametric rolling is produced by the pitching motion on vessels which have a very fine bow together with very wide and flat stern, like large container ships, which have a large flare forward and a flat after ship. Parametric rolling is more when a ship is operating in heavy sea condition. Such conditions can generate extremely high loads on the lashings and containers. It can even exceed the breaking load of the container lashings. As a result, the cargo and vessel could be damaged and containers could be lost. Effects of parametric rolling. Parametric rolling causes heavy stresses in the ship's structure, especially fore and aft parts. It also causes variation in the load of ship's main engines. If not tackled quickly, it can also result in the capsizing of the vessel. As the stern dips into the waves, it produces a rolling action. The rolling action is different at the stern than to those at the bow, which causes a twisting along the ship leading to the extra rolling motion. Ships which have a high GM will have a shorter roll period and unlikely to have parametric rolling in head/stern seas. Ships which have a low GM will have a long rolling period and are likely to have parametric rolling in head/stern seas. How to reduce parametric rolling. Use ballast changes to alter kg, and so the GMT of the vessel. By doing so, the rolling period will change, making it of a non-synchronous value. Anti-rolling stability tanks to be provided to transfer water across the ship. A quick response time is vital to counteract this rolling. Hydraulic fin stabilizers would help to reduce parametric rolling. Slow down and alter to a more favorable course to ease vessel's motion by breaking resonance between rolling period and wave encounter period. Thank you for watching the video. To learn more on marine topics, subscribe the channel.